Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. Mm, So today we are going to discuss today in this session we are going to revise some part of the grammar. Okay? So in this session we are going to discuss about parts of the speech. So inshallah we will discuss shortly. Okay? So so part of the speech. What is the part of this speech? Part of the speech are the classification of the word, categorized by the role, by their functions. Okay, the structure of the language. This is all about. It's called parts of the speech. So it's very simple that we know that there are total 8 parts of the speech. The first one is noun, the second one is pronoun, the third one is verb, fourth one is adjective, fifth one is adverb, sixth one is preposition, seventh one is conjunction, and eighth one is interjection. Okay, so these are 8. Inshallah I will describe in short. Okay, the first, noun. So I want to say something that in this session I will describe only short. Inshallah, in other video I will describe like noun in details. What is noun? The kinds of the noun, the functions of the noun. Inshallah, I will describe in details. In this session, only short. So noun is refers is the simple the name to refer any place or people or thing like that. Like my name is Salahuddin, your name is Anas, or like that. Zaid, Amr, Bakar, like that. And place like Mumbai and Kochi, like that. Okay. Also, we can use it in sentence uh, like Anas is a good boy. Okay. The second one is pronoun. What is pronoun? Pronoun is used to just replace that noun. Like so, for example, uh, as I just use as an example in noun like Anas is a good boy. So if you want to continue that sentence, like if you want to say something another like that related to him, so you no need to just use his name. So you can say Anas is good boy. He sleeps early night. He wake up early morning. He go to school. Like that. So we are just escaping his name by using this he. Okay, like pronoun. So that is called pronoun. Okay, like we can in if he is male, so we can use he or him, or if he is female, her, or like that, she or her. So okay, so now coming to verb. So what is verb? For example, verb is showing an action, or okay, is an action. So for example, Alex is going to home. So what is the action of Alex? He is in this sentence is going. Okay, so this going is verb. Okay, now adjective. Adjective means is adjective modifies or describe noun in a sentence. For example, Alex love his beautiful daughter. Okay, his daughter also love their caring father. Okay, these are adjectives. And coming to adverb. Adverb modify or describe adjectives, verb, or other adverbs. So, for example, he is running fast. She always reads a newspaper. Okay, or like that. Sorry, she always reads a newspaper attentively, or he listen the class attentively, like that, or something. So yeah, the adverb is like fast, running fast. Okay, fastly or tenly. So these are the adverbs. Now preposition. Okay, Preposition give context to noun in relation to other noun or pronouns. Like I am going to France. France is in Europe. So we can just identify that the relationship between two sentence are, we can easily identify it. And the seventh one is conjunction. So conjunction is connected. A conjunction connects noun phrase clause. Like we have learned, I think all of you have learned about this is all revision, okay? So about clause and phrases also, inshallah we will also revise it, okay, together. So the example is, Julie loves chocolate and chips. She loves pasta but she hates pizza. So these are the conjunction between these. Okay. And the last one is interjection. What is interjection? Interjections are a brief pause in speeches. Okay, for example, oh, that feels terrible. Alas, they have lost the match. So these are some, they like that. Oh, they, that feels terrible. Oh, that pause, we are just pausing here, so that is interjection. Okay. Oh, that feels very terrible. Like, alas, they have lost the match. So here we all describe in short the part of the speech. Okay. So here we conclude our class. Jazakumullah khair. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. If you don't understand anything, you may ask the question in the comment section. Okay. Here we I thank. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh.